Microsoft just issued a warning to crypto users, and what they found out is terrifying. Malware that waits for one thing: for you to copy and paste a wallet address. Think about that. No phishing link, no fake website, no scam token, just copy and paste, and your crypto could be gone. When people think about risks in crypto, they usually think about volatility, Bitcoin crashing, altcoins dumping, scams, rug pulls, exchange hacks. But what if the real threat is inside your computer, waiting? That's exactly what Microsoft is warning about. And if you hold crypto, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or stablecoins, you need to understand this, because this attack is simple, terrifyingly simple. Microsoft recently identified a dangerous malware campaign targeting crypto users. The malware spreads through infected USB devices and compromised systems. At first glance, it doesn't look scary. It doesn't flash warnings. It doesn't announce itself. It stays hidden, silent, watching, waiting. But waiting for what? Your clipboard. Yes, your clipboard. The place where copied text temporarily lives. That includes wallet addresses. And that is where things get dangerous. The problem with crypto is not information, it's noise. Too many ideas, too many signals, and not enough clarity. So inside the GekoodHub email newsletter, I filtered that down into what actually matters for building passive income and staying consistent in the markets. You can join the newsletter using the link down below. Let's keep going. This is how the attack works. You want to send crypto. Maybe you are moving Bitcoin to a cold wallet. Maybe you are sending USDT to an exchange. Or maybe you are buying a dip. You open your wallet, copy your receiving address. Everything seems normal. Then the malware strikes. The moment you copy that wallet address, the malware detects it and instantly replaces it with the attacker's wallet address. Not a random string, a carefully selected address. One designed to look convincing, so when you paste, it looks normal. You don't notice. You hit send, transaction confirmed, funds gone forever. This is what makes this attack so dangerous. There's no obvious warning sign, no pop-up, no suspicious email, no connect wallet request, nothing. That's why many victims don't even realize what happened. They think, wait, I copied the right address, and they did. That's the scary part. They copied the correct address, but they pasted the wrong one because the malware changed it silently in seconds. Quick one before we continue: if you want the exact tools and the platforms I personally use, I've put everything into one place, plus discounts so you don't overpay. You can check them out at the GekoodHub deals page. The link is down below. Now let's keep going. Now ask yourself, why target crypto users specifically? Simple. Crypto transactions are irreversible. In traditional finance, if fraud happens, there's a chance to call your bank. There's a support team. But in crypto, once you hit send, that's it. No refunds, no chargebacks, no customer support that you can call to magically recover your funds. That's what makes crypto users prime targets. One successful attack can generate thousands of dollars instantly, sometimes millions. You might think this only affects beginners. It doesn't. Even experienced users can fall for this. Why? Because experience creates comfort, and comfort creates assumptions. Most people don't manually verify every wallet address. They trust copy and paste. We all do. That's why this attack works. It exploits habit, not ignorance. That's dangerous. And this isn't limited to one blockchain. This malware can target Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, stablecoins. Pretty much anything involving a wallet address. If you transfer crypto regularly, you should pay attention. So how do you protect yourself? Start with this. Never trust copy-paste blindly. Always verify wallet addresses before sending. Check the first few characters, check the last few characters every single time, especially for large transactions. Second, be careful with USB devices. Avoid plugging unknown flash drives into your machine, especially borrowed devices. Third, keep your system secure. Update your software. Use reliable antivirus tools. Avoid cracked apps and suspicious downloads because many infections start there. And finally, consider using hardware wallets like Tangent for large holdings. Every extra layer of security matters. This story is a reminder of something very important. In crypto, not every threat looks dramatic. Sometimes the biggest threats are invisible, silent, patient, waiting for one mistake, one copy, one paste, one click, and everything changes. Microsoft has issued the warning. Now, the question is, are crypto users paying attention? Most people in crypto are just watching, reacting, and chasing moves after they happen. But a small group, they understand how this space actually works. If you want to be on that side, where you see opportunities early and actually know what to do, then join the GekoodHub email newsletter using the link down below. Don't just watch the market, learn how to move in it. I'll see you on the inside.